Welcome back to WordPress site migration. For the educational purposes, I have created a new hosting account on my hosting and the details I have got here in a notepad file. Okay, so now I cannot access the cPanel of new hosting with the domain because the domain is being used with the hosting from where I want to move to. So I can access new control panel using the IP address only. So it is the IP address. When you buy a new hosting account, they send you an email containing all the information, including the IP addresses being used there. So I simply copy that IP address and I'll try to log in. So I paste it here in the browser and at the end I add cPanel and enter. So as you can see that cPanel is being shown me. I have to enter the username and the password. The username is sample domain. Actually it is not a domain, it is just for the educational purpose. I have created a new account with a domain which actually doesn't exist, or at least I do not own that domain. So sample domain is the username and the password is whatever the password is. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and I click on the login button. So as you can see that I'm successfully logged in. I click no I'm fine thanks option and click on the save button, so the password is saved. Now I have the access to the cPanel. Now what I have to do, I have to repeat all the steps which we have repeated many times in the previous chapters. Means I will have to upload the zip file and I will have to import the database. I'm going to do that thing in offline mode because I do not want to make you people bored. So I will do it in offline mode because we have done it already many times, and after that I will tell you. Then once you upload all the files here and once you have imported the database, now what you have to do next.